Let's take a look at some of the control measures we can put in place to avoid these operational problems. This will include several checks that may be identified in the onboard cargo handling procedures that will need to be carried out before loading commences. First, let's look at the cargo valve hydraulic control system. When checking this system, it's important that you ensure there is sufficient oil in the power pack storage tank. As you can see, this should be nearly full. This level needs to be monitored throughout loading, as a significant fall is a sign of a hydraulic leak. This could result in valve control failure. If one is fitted, the accumulator will also need to be checked to make sure it's at the required pressure. This will help maintain hydraulic pressure in the system when valves are operated. The portable hand pump for powered hydraulic valves should also be checked to ensure it is working correctly. In case there is a loss of system hydraulic pressure, failure of hydraulically actuated valves when opening or closing, or failure of associated hydraulic pressure piping. It's also important that you inspect the emergency connection ports, making sure that they are well labelled, clean, not damaged, and lightly greased. Once the hydraulic system has been inspected, the inline cargo valves need to be set. This includes manifold valves, direct loading valves, and crossover valves. These valves are designed to be either fully open or fully closed. In the case of manually operated valves, it's essential they are checked to ensure they are actually fully open. For hydraulically actuated valves that are designed to be open to varying degrees, such as tank suction filling valves, the opening and closing times should be in line with the manufacturer's specifications. If they aren't, the valve rotational speed settings should be adjusted accordingly by a competent person. If information on valve closing or opening times are not readily available, then a closing or opening time of 1 second for each 10 millimeters of internal diameter of the cargo valve can be used.